Hello and welcome. In this video, we will discuss PYQs of average and our theme is formula based problem. We have already discussed a few problems. Let's move on. Let's discuss the remaining problems from this very theme. Sorry. So, this is the next case. It says the average rainfall in a city for the first 4 days recorded to be 0.40 inch. The rainfall on the last 2 days was 4:3. The average of 6 days was 0.50 inch. What was the rainfall on the 5th day? See, for first 4 days, the rainfall, the average is given, which is 0.40. So, I know sum is equals to average into number of observation. So I can say for first 4 days, sum of all the rainfalls should be average into the observation, which is 0.4 into 4. Plus, let's say the rain on day number 5 is 4x inch and the rain on day number 6 is 3x inch. So, rain of 5th day plus rain of 6th day. Now, what is this? This is the sum of the rainfalls for the 6 days. So, sum of the rainfalls of the 6 days must equal to the average of 6 days, which is 0.50, and the number of observations. So, we are having 6 days under observation, so into 6. If you solve this, it comes out to be equal to, it becomes 1.6 plus 7x, and on the other side it becomes 3, right? If we solve this further, so 7x becomes 3 minus 1.6, which is equals to 1.4. So x comes out to be equal to 0.2. We are looking for the rainfall on the 5th day. We have assumed rainfall of the 5th day to be equal to 4x. So 4 into 0.2 it is, hence the answer is 0.8 inch. So answer is option C. Kindly make a note of it. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. It says the average monthly income of a person in a certain family of 5 is rupee 10,000. What will be the average monthly income of a person in the same family if the income of one person increased by 12,000 per year? Now, average monthly income of single person of 5 is 10,000. So, what should be the sum of all the income for a month? It will be equal to average of those 5 people into 5. What is this? This gonna be the monthly sum for the income of that family of 5 members, which is equals to average, monthly average into 5. I hope this is clear. Now the next is, what will be the average monthly income of a person in the same family if income of one person is increased 1,20,000 per year? If 1,20,000 is the yearly increment, so what should be the monthly increment? Monthly increment should be 10,000 only. What is this? This is the sum of all the income of those people for 1 month. Now a person is earning 10,000 more. So sum will become this 10,000 into 5 plus 10,000. Why? Because there is an increment in the income of only one person, and that increment is 10,000. So in the monthly income, we're gonna add this extra amount, which is 10,000. So right now, that family, 10,000 into 5 plus 10,000 is 60,000. So right now, that family of 5 people is earning 60,000 in a month. How many members are there? 5 members are there. So 60,000 divided by 5, which gives us 12,000. So average monthly income of a person is what? 12,000 now. Answer is option A. Kindly make a note of it. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. It says a student on her first 3 tests received on an average score of n points. If she exceeds her previous average score by 20 points on her 4th test. So there were 4 tests. First, second, third and 4th test. Then what is the average score for the first 4 tests? Now, a student on her first 3 tests receives an average score of n. So average for first 3 tests is n. So sum of scores for first 3 tests should be n into 3. Right? Now, let's talk about 4th test. On the 4th test, or in the 4th test, he is getting 20 more points than n. So score of 4th test is n plus 20. Now what is this? This is the total score of 4 tests. It must be equal. Now this is the total score of 4 tests. So total score divided by number of observation or number of tests, which is 4. It gonna give me what? It gonna give me the combined average for 4 tests. So if we solve this, it comes out to be equal to 4n plus 20 upon 4, which becomes n plus 5. So average of first 4 tests will become what? N plus 5, which is option D. I hope guys this is clear to everyone. This is it for the video. Thank you.